It's adobo, but not meat. It may be vegetarian, but it tastes and feels like meat. Join me and let's cook this together. You're watching Channel 1 Kitchen and Garden, a channel dedicated to garden to plate experience. In this channel we grow, cook, and share. Let's join Romilo at the kitchen. Warm welcome, your kuya here. Magandang gabi, mga kababayan. Pagbati, especially to our watchers from the US, North Americas, and the Middle East, and of course, to our kababayans back home. Your kuya and uncle here from Pangasinan, but today and tonight, cooking here in Holland. This serves as our gardening upload because I'm featuring my harvest. It's winter time here, so the only harvest I have are my laurel leaves, which we will be garnishing our adobo with. It is vegetarian adobo. It is mushroom vegetarian. A very simple dish. Everything can be cooked as adobo. We've been doing adobong kangkong and sitaw. We just replaced kangkong or sitaw with mushroom. And I've heard that mushroom is the best replacement for meat. How do you find my new intro, by the way? Our voiceover now will tell us the ingredients. Your choice of mushrooms, the usual garlic, onion, and tomato for stir frying, and don't forget the oil, soya sauce, vinegar, and salt. The quantities in the description box below. Thank you, voiceover. Shall we dash through the preparations I made earlier? Every seasoned cook will discourage washing of mushrooms. Just brush to remove the dirt. Yes, don't wash the mushrooms. They will absorb water, they're spongy, so you don't want them to be that wet. Just brush. The ideal size would be bite size. This sizes just into 4 slices. The classic sofrito, although in the Philippines we call this gisa, it's sofreír, to stir fry. Tomato, and in the proper size, in cubes. The onions, to be followed by the garlic. There are fancy garlic crushers, but this is still my favorite, the quickest. Not very elegant, but quick. Let's begin. This is quick and easy. I've got no time to talk even. This dish is very similar to the provincial sauce of France. The only addition we have is the soya sauce to make it Pinoy. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like and share and subscribe and click the bell icon so that you won't miss any upcoming uploads. Wednesdays for gardening oriented uploads and Fridays for kitchen. This can turn out watery, so one option would be to grill it first. Ihaw muna pagkatapos igisa. Kaya bawas na yung tubig. And to use a saucepan. I'm not doing that, but this is wide enough. That is to facilitate the thickening of the sauce. I can add the vinegar now. The usual discipline when cooking adobo or when involving vinegar, wait until the vinegar briskly boils before stirring it. Let's add the rest of the ingredients. Laurel there, salt, the soya sauce. Our voiceover may have not said it, but we need pepper. Salt and pepper always go together. And finally, pepper. And after 5 minutes, more or less, this should be cooked. By the way, I'm cooking this during the lockdown. May curfew kami uli dito in Holland. We cannot go out from 8:30 onwards. Even the barbers are closed. So kailangan na. While our dish is cooking, I'd like to show you an update of the experiment we have planting of tulips in warmer climes. This is the update. We planted them early January after refrigeration. And if travel is your preference, don't forget to visit my other channel, My Barrio My Mundo. Back to our dish. If you want, you can also add some sugar, not more than 1 teaspoon. I'm doing that. The vinegar is a bit sour, so this is it. It's now cooked. It's time to eat with rice. Vegetarian adobo tonight. It's mushroom adobo or adobo al funghi in Italian. Champignon alla provincial sauce alla adobo Filipino. It's really delicious, but I think the laurel is overpowering. That was too big for this small portion. Masarap. Of course, let's eat it with rice. Yeah, my rice now. Simple food. To be honest with you, I was excited with this. I prefer meat and fish, of course. But we have to balance our diet. Meat, fish, vegetables, and grains. Thank you for joining me here tonight. I hope you enjoyed our video. Gawana. See you on the next video. Dios tagbati.